Hi, I'm Christine, and today I'm telling you about some of my favorite lip balms and lip healing products. Hopefully that'll help you because right here in Maryland it is cold, it is dry, it is windy, and it is awful. So I don't know about you out there, but I am using all of these products in overhaul right now. So the first thing I use as my daily carry, my daily lip product is the Blistex Medicated. Oh yeah, I do not have an autofocus. Oh, oh, that's not gonna get it at all. Good luck reading that. So I use the Blistex Medicated, the one that has, is this why they do it? Is this why they do it? Oh, now, changing colors. I use the Blistex Medicated that is the tealy blue. I've tried all of the other Blistex. I've tried all the chapsticks and the Carmex. And if I'm going for a pocket size drugstore lip product, I go for this one. It doesn't have that weird a minty taste, and it is a medicated lip balm. So I use it less often, maybe. Um, the one that I will say, it has such a place in my heart that I usually buy it in the 3-pack. When I was looking in my drawer for these other products, I found 2 of these to recycle. So I can tell you that it contains sunscreen, which says right on it, SPF 15, and the main ingredient in it is beeswax. So if you're looking for value, I usually have one of these on my desk, one in my car, and then 5 to 10 backups in my bathroom. So, daily carry. Next, I just got this in Ipsy January, and I'm kind of in love with it. It's pretty pricey, so I don't know if I'll rebuy it if I miss it that much when it's gone. But right now, I'm loving it. And it is Also Impossible to Read. Ooh. Yeah, it is the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Starmint Glossy Balm. The main ingredients in this one, most common on the top, sunflower oil, beeswax, coconut oil, peppermint. It does have more of a minty flavor than I like, but it is so smooth and my lips feel so good that I will forgive it for being as minty as it is. Pew! I have to find that later. Next up we have LUSH. So these 2 are my most go-to of the LUSH balms. I noticed that I'm less likely to use things with a screw cap, just how I am, but you can see already that the Rose Lollipop is almost gone, which is why I bought the Whipstick. Rose Lollipop is thicker. It definitely is extremely good for overnight use. The primary ingredient on this one is caoutchouc butter and fair trade shea butter. If you care about vegan, vegetarian, the rose... Oh, hello dogs. I believe these are both vegan and vegetarian. So vegan, vegetarian. But I find that the Whipstick tastes so good that I often find myself probably licking my lips more often than I should. That said, the other night I put on the Whipstick before bed, and then when I woke up I was like, oh, good choice, good choice. Next, an actual Rosebud or Rose Salve. So this is my big tin. This buddy was something like 12 bucks, but it is absolutely thick. And I've already hit the pan. I scoop this stuff on, especially before bed. I've also used this in the dry under eye region. You're not really supposed to do that with petroleum-based products, but it did, and I didn't die. No, this stuff's really thick. I also use this on my hands right in there. All right, the final is the most moisturizing of anything I own. Moisturizer, lip balm, medicated anything. This is not medicated, but it is better and more intense. It is the Dr. Lipp Original Nipple Balm for Lips. I believe that when I read the website a million years ago, you can tell because this is almost gone, it said that it was originally a nipple balm, but that it was so effective on both mom and baby that they started marketing it as a lip balm. It's kind of a gross color. It's this like very petroleum with a little yellow in it. It is lanolin based, which I believe is produced by sheep hair follicles. You can Google that. It is so thick. It is so glossy. It is thicker than Vaseline. I would not wear this every day because I would feel like it was sticking my lips stuck. But it is definitely, if you have hit that point of like extreme cracking, hit up this stuff. It's available pretty much. Amazon is where I think I got this tube. I also bought it from Birchbox, which is probably the first time I tried it. So, hope this was helpful for you. I will write down the names of all the products that I mentioned here below. The only one that I received in a beauty box was the Jersey Shore product that I have to go pull out from under that table. Although I do, now that I'm thinking about it, I do think that I got the original of this from Birchbox in a very tiny size, and then I used points to get the full size because it's that good. Anyway, hope all of your lips are feeling better soon. Take care.